The exciting thing about coming to our manufacturing facility is that there's an opportunity to actually see some of our work. It's great to be able to see it on video, to be able to see it on LinkedIn, but it's different to be able to actually put your hands on it. And as long as it's not one of the robots, you can put your hands on it.
This legacy back in 1948 was really built on hard work, ambition, and a commitment to craftsmanship. And that lives on today through all of us.
We've also been very grateful with the partnerships that we've created, the partners that have had our back all the time. This industry is not easy. It's very unforgiving, can be very unpleasant at times, but watching this team not only do what they've done, but know where they're going, it's fun. KUKA's gonna be right by your side the whole time. So also really exciting to see all the history with the Nelson family. Congratulations to you guys. We don't see this a lot in this country, and it's really exciting to see. So thank you for being a partner, a strong partner with KUKA. Looking forward to many years to come.
It's been incredible to see where we've been over the last 18 months. 18 months ago, man, what a different picture. This has been an incredible journey, and we have a tremendous opportunity in front of us.